Alright guys, so we're done with this one. This is a Sunday rental, Ninja Bounce House. This is the old Ninja, guys. The new one is at the other place, which I might pick it up today. Alright, so we're gonna head to the next location. It's going to be the Princess Castle, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I couldn't done it without him, guys. I had to go. I had to trick him. I tricked this man right here. But guess what? We're going to the next location. Let's go.
For real?
Let's get it, guys. We're going to the next location. Let's do it. Yeah, I had to surprise this man. Hey, look. When you hang out with me, you gonna work. Let's do it. Got him. Alright, you ready to work?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat.
Alright, we finna eat, guys. We finna eat. But he good worker, guys. He good worker. He just need that motivation, guys. Let's go.
I'm one of the ones like, let's go ahead and get this money. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's me. Yes. Sponsored by Newport.
No, smoking all good, guys. All right, guys. So we're at second location, guys. We got one more location to go, so we're gonna hurry up and do this one. Got my boy here, ready. I fed him some good pizza, so he should have some energy today, guys. All right, you ready?
Yes, boss.
All right, guys, let's get it, guys. The customer's waiting on us, guys. Let's do it. Oh, hello. All right, guys, so we are done for today. We just picked up the Princess Castle, and yeah, they only used it for 4 hours, guys. All right, so tomorrow we got a long day. We got to pick up all the bouncers. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, we're gonna be cleaning all these bouncers, sanitizing, clean them, and all that. All right, so that's it. All right, let's go. Y'all stay tuned for that, guys. I'm out. Let's go.